Alright guys, we are at the Fastback. This is my 1973 Fastback Mustang, and as you can see right now, it is far from perfect, but this is the beginning of the build. So make sure you guys stay tuned, we're gonna get right into it. We're gonna get in the shop first, and then we will assess the overall Mustang and give you a rundown of what we're gonna do. So let's get to doing that. Well, it didn't want to start, so we resorted to the pushing with the tractor because I'm all alone. Straighten it up. That's a little much. Try that. Get it in here a little deeper. All right. Well, after a lot of finagling, we got the Mustang in here, and it is ready to get worked on. As you can see, we got a lot of work to do on this bad boy. Super excited to get started on it because this is like almost my dream car, but not quite. I really want a 69 Fastback, but this has actually been growing on me a ton lately. So I don't know, maybe this will become my dream car. I'm sure you're gonna figure out how to like it because I'm gonna be working on it for the next couple months, I'm sure. Got a lot of work to do, which will probably include also pulling the motor. So yeah. All right guys, believe it or not, first item of business is gonna be getting this motor and transmission out on this Mustang. I know that seems like a big step, and it is for me. I'm kind of nervous about it, but I do want to drop a TKX in here, 5-speed, and I do want to do some motor upgrades. So that is probably going to be the first thing we do on this. So we are going to pull the battery, pull the wires and plugs. We're going to organize them all, and we will make sure that this thing is ready to come out nice and easy. Drain all the fluids, drain the oil. Yeah, we're just going to start getting into that probably right now. All right, let's get this hood off so we have a little more room to work. Let's see, taking a guess here. Might be a little pain because I'm by myself, but I'll get it. Oh, there we go. Okay, next we're gonna drain this radiator. I don't even know how much is in it, but we're gonna drain it and then get the radiator out of here so we can make room to pull the motor. Yeah, I don't think we're going to use that anymore. Next, radiator hose. Well, fetch. That's still good, probably. Update, radiator's out, it's over there, hood's off, grill's off. We are making some progress. Just gonna start unplugging wires and sorting everything out so we can get this motor pulled. So we're gonna do that right now. We'll give you an update when it's done. We have got a lot of progress made. Got our alternator out. We got the power steering plump out. All that stuff is out. We are looking pretty good. I think we have everything disconnected up top that we can pull the motor, but now I just need to go underneath, disconnect the exhaust, and then take off the transmission cross member, and then I'm gonna pull out the transmission and the motor all at the same time just to make it easier. I don't want to deal with it, but then we'll pull them apart separately up there because I don't have space. But first I need to get some jack stands and a jack, so we will be back at this in the next part of this video, so we'll see you then. We have got some jack stands, so we are going to get the Mustang jacked up, and we are going to put the jack stands under it, and we're going to unbolt the transmission and any other things like the transmission mount or the engine mounts. I don't know if you get to those from underneath, but we're going to find out. But yeah, let's get to doing that right now. We're gonna get these things off out of the way, the exhaust system, and then we will take off some other stuff. So we'll just keep taking stuff off under here. Okay, we got one of them off, but the other one we're gonna have to drop the headers to get it off, so we're gonna do that. Loose, look at that. Okay, headers are out except for this side. We're gonna have to wait till we pull the motor to get that one out because it is just wedged between everything, and I think it'd be easier to just pull that out when we pull the motor. So we will do that, and then gonna get some more stuff unbolted on the transmission, and then we will be ready to pull this bad boy, I think. All right, guys, everything is disconnected. All lines underneath where the transmission are. Drive shaft is off. Last thing we have to do before we pull this motor is get the motor mounts unbolted, and then we will be ready to pull this. But I'm gonna wait to do that until we get the cherry picker in here, which will be tomorrow. So we're gonna get a mounting plate and that, and then we're gonna get this motor and transmission pulled. All right, guys, we got Judd out here. We're gonna get this motor pulled. Got oil is drained, so I'm hoping since I leave the transmission fluid in the back, it'll hopefully tip the motor back a little bit. But we're gonna get the carburetor off, slap the engine mount thingy on, and then we're gonna try to hoist it out of here. So let's see how it goes. He's watching. Oh my gosh. Oh my. That's gonna hold the motor, bro. Oh my gosh. You want this side? Yeah. No, we were a little mixed in, guys. Oh boy! I'm gonna laugh at you. Oh, one turned off.
No, it didn't. Dang, Judd.
Oh, man.
You old sign on the ground tree?
Yeah. Beautiful.
You have a big light right behind you.
Oh, bro, turn that sucker on. The battery's
Right in Judd's eye. Sorry, Judd.
Fire, for real?
Oh, is it?
Yeah, that's the big one.
I like it. I like it a lot.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Wow.
Look at that!
Wow.
Bro. I actually don't think you have to take those off. Okay, don't pull it.
Oh, that side.
There's the hole there. How'd that turn out?
What do you mean?
Was it from the impact guns? There's 2 bolts on each side.
Y'all wish.
The 4th is a Wednesday.
I love this thing. Oh! There's the bumper.
It's heavy.
Yeah, it's probably heavy.
Here, once you two have a hold of it, I'll move this.
That might help with some aerodynamics.
Oh, it's not holding on to anything.
Yeah. We decided to make a bumper that freaking heavy. There's no way the nose was taken off.
This is a deer killer right here.
For real, bro.
That's
Higher quality than impressive.
the brand new truck.
How do you drive this
I
thing?
guess it's holding high quality.
It's not moving at all, bro.
Yeah, it is.
Holy Wesley.
What?
You were planning to drain it, right?
Is it draining itself?
Yes.
Yes, it is.
Looks like a pile of blood on it. She's hurt.
Boy.
What did you do?
I was ruining the transmission. Okay, I just saw it come on. Oh!
Heck yeah.
Okay, here. We gotta pop the exhaust manifold off because that was stuck in there. Holy blood, bro. Maybe we should get a bucket under that.
Yeah.
Before it's.
There's
Holy cow, it's like spewing.
Batch.
Oh no. Oh wow. Kept on doing that thing, huh?
Yeah, it's coming.
What is that on the floor?
Transmission fluid. Oh, that'll have to do for now. Is it still draining?
I
It looks
think
like it's out almost.
I'm not gonna lie, I think we might need to put it on the middle.
That's what I was thinking.
Because it's sitting right on this cross member over here.
Should we need to like put it on the back?
And to pull it, it's just like wanting to
How can we adjust it though without?
Oh, now it's slowing down.
Just tip the bucket over, bro.
There is no point in that bucket.
Push that red one.
Yeah, I can't sit.
You want to put the bucket back on that thing?
Popping again?
Pour it.
Oh god. But the more we pour it, or maybe we just let it sit like that for a second. That's a good angle. Just need to.
You guys ready to pretty quiet for a while, you guys?
Up on the 13, said, hey baby, what's wrong?
We just. There we go.
I was ready to go to sleep, just wanted to say goodnight.
Ew, what's that?
Looks like gas.
Right.
Yeah.
Sticks and stones
Wait, raise that.
break my bones.
Is it gas?
Love should never
Probably old gas. Or water, maybe.
Smells like water, yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
I think swinging above you kind of scary.
I would say so.
Alright. Yeah. We got a motor out, guys. Okay, this thing's hot now. I'm sweating balls.
Yeah, it's nice.
There's no transmission.
No, there's not. Not at all.
Get back far enough to where we are back here out at the motor and transmission and the Mustang. Today we are going to be popping off this transmission and then kind of just getting everything off of this motor, cleaning it up so it will be ready to get a new cam and an intake that we are going to get ordered and get it here, and we'll get it installed. And then once that's installed, we'll get the transmission too. It should be here soon, next week I'm hoping. We'll get that installed and then we will put it back in and we will be ready to do body work on this Mustang. It'll probably be a while like doing all that, but we're gonna try to make it as fast as we can. So let's get to doing it. Look at that. This transmission is disconnected. Just like that. Looks like a fairly newer torque converter, but maybe not. I don't know. We'll get the transmission cleaned up, keep it or sell it. I don't know yet, but yeah, we're gonna lift the engine back up, start cleaning it up, making it look good, and then. All right, guys, we're gonna get the engine transferred over to the engine stand so we can start tearing her apart. We're getting the oil pan pulled off. See what we're working with in here. There's definitely some sort of something in here. Not sure what it is, but hopefully nothing too crazy. But we might have to rebuild this bottom end, which I didn't really want to do, but we're gonna obviously have to if something's wrong with it. So we're gonna do a little more inspection, see if we can't find anything. All right, we're gonna pull the heads real quick, or the valve covers real quick to see. I'm hoping that is just some seals from the top of the heads, but we're gonna see. We're gonna pull this valve cover off real quick on both sides and see what we're dealing with. Well, what we're looking at, got the lifters, everything's checking out. I'm not seeing any missing pieces so far, so maybe that's just something that fell in from a while ago, but I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna get this all cleaned up a little better, and then we're gonna get to hopefully doing some upgrades on this bad boy. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe and like and turn on those notifications so you don't miss a video. But yeah, this is gonna be a fun project. Can't wait to keep working on it. So we'll see you guys later.